Hello, my loves. It's your girl, Lily L, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been quietly feeling not enough lately, not pretty enough, not confident enough, not quote unquote put together, this video is for you. And honestly, it used to be me too. Because most soft women don't need more motivation. We need a new foundation. So, hey, beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lily L. I'm a feminine confidence and beauty consultant, and everything I teach is about helping women feel polished, calm, and secure within themselves. Not performative confidence, but real, grounded confidence. And today, I want to talk to the girl who's tired of comparing, tired of feeling behind, tired of looking at other women and thinking, why does everything look so easy for them and so hard for me? Because for a long time, that was me. I look fine on the outside, but internally, I second guessed everything. My outfits, my voice, how I walked into rooms, what people thought of me, if I was too much or not enough. And nobody talks about that stage, that quiet insecurity that follows you everywhere you go. Not dramatic, just heavy. Like you're constantly trying to catch up to the woman you're supposed to be. And one day, I realized something. Confidence isn't something you hype yourself into, it's something you build systematically, gently, intentionally. So instead of telling women, just love yourself, I started teaching foundations because confidence is built from how you think, how you prepare, and how you carry yourself. That's it. Which is why I created my free 3-day live feminine confidence challenge. And I want to personally invite you over 3 live days. We're rebuilding you from the inside out. So, day one, we rebuild your mindset and standards because the way you see yourself sets the tone for everything. Day two, we create beauty and preparation routines so you feel polished and ready without stress. So, what does that look like? Well, no scrambling, no chaos, just calm, I'm already prepared energy. And day three, we work on presence. How you walk into a room, how you speak, how you carry yourself, how to feel calm instead of anxious. Plus, live coaching, exercises, journaling, and a real community. Not just information, transformation. Because you don't need more content, you need support. So, if you've been feeling tired, I'm tired of shrinking, I'm tired of doubting myself, I just want to feel like I'm her. This is for you. Doors are open now. You can save your spot at lilyl.com. And tomorrow, we start day one together. The link is in bio on my Instagram page at I am Lily L. And I would genuinely love to see you there because you deserve to feel secure in yourself. Not somehow, not someday, but right now. So, ladies, if this message has resonated with you and you feel excited and feel pumped for the first day of my free 3-day live challenge, like this video, subscribe, and save your spot because I'm ready and I hope you are. So come with your A game, come with a notepad, come with a pen, go and get your tea ready, your wine, your matcha, whatever relaxes you and gets you comfortable because we are going to build this community and we are going to have a time. So until next time, ladies, stay soft, stay feminine, stay intentional, and I hope to see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.